You searched how to buy shares of Ackermans Van Haaren NV. It is a Belgian diversified holding active in infrastructure, maritime services, and construction, and it trades on Euronext under the ticker ACKB.BR. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy ACKB.BR, you will need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ACKB.BR to find the listing. Confirm you have selected the Euronext listing for the correct company. Open the asset page to review the company description and essential details alongside the price chart. Confirm the page refers to Ackermans Van Haaren NV before continuing. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details including order type and fees before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order settles and is executed. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here. This content remains educational.